In this video, we'll have a look at the most popular features used by sole traders and startups. So the first thing we'll have a look at is all the features that are available within the app, which can be accessed at any time. So if we click on your features, then we can see that all of this is available within your license. So this is a very powerful menu that lets you easily change the configuration of the app. For example, on the left-hand side, we have contacts, and this is where we can import all our customer contacts. So we can download a template and we can upload it. There's separate videos explaining exactly how to do this. If we click on a contact, then we can add in notes, we can store documents, and we can also record actions against a contact. So that's really powerful. Some organizations like to have the concept of companies, and this is where we group all our contacts into companies. You don't need to do that if you don't want to. So if we click up here, and if we want to remove the companies, we just do it with 2 clicks. Click up here. This takes us into the configuration screen for the CRM or contact management, and then we disable this company view, and it just disappears. The next really popular thing is the dashboard. This is a really simple dashboard that lets you see what you've invoiced, and it lets you quickly create an invoice. And you can select the customer, input the details, input the amount, and that's it. It's really simple. Once again, there's videos explaining how to do this in more detail. If you're not VAT registered and you want to remove any reference to VAT, if we click on cancel, click down here, and we go into the system defaults, we just go to VAT settings, click edit, we disable VAT, that will remove any reference to VAT, click save, so we can now click on the invoice, and you can see there's no reference to VAT. Very, very simple. The same with recording expenses. Just click on here. You can just select an expense type, and once again you can define all your own expense types. You can input the amount, and you can also record the VAT amount. You can hide any reference to VAT, so we click down here, we go to the expense type, and you can configure each expense type. So I'm going to say in this particular one, I don't want to see any reference to VAT. If I now go back to my dashboard and I record expenses, select accountancy fees, there's no reference to VAT. All of this is accessible on your telephone as well, so you can track all your expenses and you can record the expense receipts. And if you do this on your telephone, it'll give you the option to actually take a photograph of the expense receipt. That means you don't have to manage a lot of paper expense receipts. The system automatically creates a nice simple profit and loss for you. You can actually drill in and you can see all the entries. And if you want to edit one from the P&L, so maybe you've recorded it against the wrong expense type, you can just easily change it from in here. So super easy to use. For companies that want to link it to their bank account, once again, very easy. You can just click on here and you can connect it to your bank account, and then this will automatically download all your transactions. And really powerful feature, when the transactions come in, you can actually generate all of your accounting records, i.e. your income records and your expense receipts, from the content of your bank account. And that's really powerful. Other things that people like is the reporting and the simplicity of it. So if we click on invoices, If you have a lot of invoices, you can filter on all the paid, unpaid, and so on. And then if you just click on the PDF, whatever you're filtering on, whatever date range, whatever filters, whatever customers, it'll automatically put it into report. So super simple means of reporting. Other things that are available all within the license is you can turn on more sophisticated accounting. We also have the marketing. The marketing, not everyone would use it, but it is quite useful. This is where you can actually create email templates. And then you can simply go to contacts and you can filter your contacts. So I'm going to filter all my customers. And then if I want to send an email, I can just go send email. It asks me which template I want to use, puts all the email addresses in, and you can remove specific email addresses. You can tailor the message, you can input attachments, click send. And finally, really popular for customers in the UK, Making Tax Digital. If you click on here, you can input your VAT number and so on. You can connect to HMRC, that's a 1-minute exercise, and then it'll retrieve all your VAT quarters and you can do a submission just with a couple of clicks. We offer both the option to do the bridging software where you can load your VAT spreadsheet, and that's, once again, we've got lots of tutorials covering that, or you can use the bookkeeping here to generate the content of your submission. I think the final thing to cover really is you can have multiple accounts, so you can set up one for your business, maybe you run a property company as well, so you can actually run lots of different instances of it, and you can jump from one to the other using this button. You can also get help, so if we click on here, you can book a free training course, you can email the support team, but also a really useful feature is this down here, the question mark. So if you click on any feature and you click on the question mark at the top of the screen, it'll bring up a tutorial explaining exactly how to use it. This means you can access help whenever you're ready or convenient for you to do so. I think that's it really. Okay, we'll see you on the next video.